Okay, here we have a couple of carrier comfort air conditioners in a thing. This is running. That's the hottest air. Turns off. It's been running. What's the compressor? Which one's wrong? The compressor that you turn 13. See that one's from? The gold. The compressor 13. Yeah. This one's wrong. That's still how it works. And this one's probably turned on. Yeah, it's been running to wonderful mornings. Gonna take a picture of them. Oh, this one turned on. Nice. Gonna start with this one. It's now both running. Two air compressors running big. Yeah. These are both running. Yep, this one just turned on. Yep, we gotta go with this compressor. This one has a compressor as well. Yep. Okay, and there's the Ductless unit over there. I got both. And there's a Mitsubishi Ductless unit up there. Yeah. Yep, but these air compressors, they're both running. This one turned on. Yeah. Alright, so I guess that's it. Bye.